Welcome guys to yet another video. This is this weekly analysis. So this week my best setups, guys, are going to be NES 100, and we'll check out the rest. But so far NES 100, guys, I have my money on NES 100 and also gold. You understand? So don't forget to press the subscribe button, the notification button, and the like button, to get more content like this, guys. Very beautiful content. So this week, basically, like I said, guys, I'm looking at indices as this have a high probable turnout, guys. Like looking at from here to here with indices, you'll know how beautiful those things are. So now, as you can clearly see, we have a third touch here, right? A third touch here. There was the first touch, second touch, and third touch. So now I'm going to update this trend line and move it to what's currently happening. This is old now. This is old news, guys. Old news. So now I'm obviously going to put there as a guideline. Just a guideline. So now what's happening? I'm updating it. Now, theoretically, it's 3. But when you observe it properly, we're saying that it is the first touch, the second touch. Now we're waiting for a second touch of this support level right here. As you can see, guys, there's a beautiful hammer, which you guys know I love them so much. I love them so much. They give me the reversal direction, right? So I know every time price has been going up like crazy, eventually it needs to come back down and correct itself, guys, because the market is moved by individuals. Companies are moved by individuals. So price can't just go up ridiculously without never coming back and correcting itself properly before making its new life. It's like inflation. Inflation doesn't happen in a year whereby everything's gonna be 20 rand. It tests the 20 rand level. After the 20 rand level, it comes back and goes to 15 rand, maybe petrol per liter. Then after 15 rand, it goes to 16, 17. It plays around. Then ultimately, eventually, it will come back to these levels and go a bit further up, and it was gonna be the level, just like the other levels here. Not so long ago, these were the highs, the new highs. Now they're not. These are the new highs. You get me? And now we're used to them right now, and they're still probably gonna be more highs. So with that in mind, guys, I knew that I wasn't gonna be doing anything right? I wasn't going to be doing anything. I wasn't going to be doing anything in terms of price going up, because sure, I can see it jumped, it broke out of this resistance. But then, where am I going to buy it until? I don't know. People are buying, which, they have their own reasons. Nah? But this is Forex. You need to be able, like anything, it's like life basically. You need to be able to make your own decisions based on what you know and what you can observe, right? So I was able to see that, you know what? I see it's in a channel, and I know eventually it's going to hit the resistance of that channel. And when it does hit the resistance, I'm going to be patient and wait for it. And when it does, I know it's going to come back to which level? To this support level, which is the strongest support level right now. The strongest. So I know that Guti price will come and hit this level right here. And when it hits this level right here, everything is going to be good, and that's when we can look for buys. But then also, it may not necessarily, turn around here. It may broke out and come literally here, instead of coming here, how I say it. But this just gives me a basis of the possibilities in terms of where it can go for me, just in my head, to be like, okay, visually I know it will come around this area right here, which I used this level here that it made the previous higher high. You understand? It made a higher high, a higher low. It made higher highs. So what happens? It needs to correct to the higher lows, which is the normal way of the market doing its thing. Like it's normal for that to happen. You understand? Impulse correction, impulse correction. So I'm waiting for it to come to these levels, and I'm already in a trade as we speak. I'm in trades as we speak, and I've been adding on. So now I'm gonna just try being patient and hopefully manage it very, very well, and hopefully it will just come properly. Like if it can come around these levels, like this week, by the end of this week, I'll be very happy to keep on holding. But if it does come back a bit up, because as you can see, when price came here, it went down, went a bit up. So it did this and it went down like that, you understand? So in a matter of like how many periods, let's see, from the 8th until the 17th, imagine, that's like 6 days before it going continuing it down. So hopefully this will have that momentum of like going down within the next 2 days, which is going to be great because we can hold longer. But if it doesn't, we'll just try managing our trades properly. Yeah, that's my NES 100 view, man. Like I really can't. And I think I added more here. Because me, I like the 4-hour entries. As you can see, I have this beautiful hammer. So obviously we're entering. It's like what 223. So we're almost entering the New York session. So the New York session just might push it a bit up. But then after everything during the New York session, price will definitely try pushing down. Because as you can see, the sellers are in the market now. They're in control. So I entered here. I entered a couple of times, guys. I wish I could have held everything, everything. But then I entered here. I went out. Then I entered here. I entered right here, guys. Right there by the wick. And I entered here as well. So I'm going to just hold it. And just hold it, guys. And just hold it. Try keeping my mind busy and not, stay on the market like that. Because staying on the market, I might end up being provoked by the market. And it will end up taking me out. But so far, I'm happy with the trades I have taken. As you can see, I took trades here, guys. Trades here again, which is closer to this entry here. I'm not complaining. So I'm really hoping price will continue going down because, hey man, it's going to be a wonderful, wonderful trade if it does. And as you can see, guys, it's looking beautiful, guys. Like the structure is looking beautiful. Like it's looking so beautiful. Like it's so beautiful, guys. So it's gonna be one of the best trades yet again. But this one, if you guys can look at like the past, I think 3 weeks, the past 3 weeks, right? I think I found price here. I bought here, but while it went up and down, like what I did, right, was I bought here, it went up, then everything got taken out. I bought here, was in profits, I went out, came back down, bought, then got feared for whatever reason and got out, right? So now, I don't want to fear anything, guys. Like, and looking at how much it gave me from here until there, and from here until there, I'm sorry, man. Like, you don't have to tell me playing 2 times for me to be able to be disciplined enough to respect my trading plan rules and how I would like to trade. I could enter more trades here, but it's about being more disciplined. And I did go heavy with it. I will not lie, guys. I usually go heavy with this index 100, US 100 with I use a micro account, but not the micro account with cents. You know what I'm saying? But then the profits are beautiful as well. Like I can make 1,000 rands or 2,000 rands, even 4,000 rand, depending on the lot size you are using. You understand? And it's very great, man, especially for beginner traders, because you get the ones standard accounts. Standards accounts, they're quite tricky for me. I would like to say, because they're just nerve-wracking. But eventually, once I know I'm confident with this and I've built up enough layer of money, the rest, I can go to the standards and kill it the same way that I'm killing this, and I won't feel any pressure because I would have been comfortable with losing 1,000 rand because I have enough. So I know I'm comfortable with losing 1,000. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at. Nasdaq is what's very interesting to me because that's what I've been waiting for. US30, I fumbled it a bit. I really did fumble it, guys. I won't lie. I was in the trade. As you can see, it hit my TP. But then I think I was at an interview or something. And when I came out, it was... Sorry about that. It was reversing. Then I got out. Then price just went down, man. But luckily it was like a small amount, which didn't hinder me at all. I'm glad that I kept my risk management intact. Yeah, and I can't complain, guys. It was a great trade. It was a great trade. I wish I could have done better in terms of managing it and holding it, right? But then we just might, come back to it again if it gives us like a nice setup. Because like even from here, looking at where US30 is, right? Looking where it is, it might want to come here. So if we can have a nice trade from here to there, and then the stop loss being just beautiful, like beautiful, like that. Let's just go to the lower time frame. Let's use this, the hammer, put it there. Then yes, let's see what risk to reward this is that we'll be getting. Let me just get out. Or 4 to 1 risk to reward. So if I lose 1%, I'm gonna get 4%. You understand? So that is beautiful, man. This is that 94% structure of Falcon. I saw real Falcon, guys, and to me it was so easy to adapt to it and understand it that I didn't have any problem with it. You understand? So guys, with Forex, you're mostly gonna come across these things very often, but you must trade what your eyes, because you put in chart time. That's the reason they say put in chart time. Do your back testing, because if you do your back testing and your chart time, there are patterns that are gonna become so easy for you to notice that it's just going to be too easy for you. You understand? When your mentors are showing you like this is the structures that we use, and you're like, oh, I know that. So yeah, guys, those are the trades I'll be taking. Those 2 trades. I already took US30, but like I said, I fumbled it a bit, but it was going to be a wonderful trade. German 30 just got into its new high, like the highs, so I'm not really keen on trading that. But this 2, I'll keep my eyes on them, and yeah, hopefully by the end of the week, I'll come back with fantastic news. So hope you guys found this informative. Do follow me on my Telegram pages to see my live updates on this trades that I'm taking. So yeah, guys, take care, be safe, and don't forget to subscribe, press the like button and the notification button to get more content like this. Peace out.